Welcome to this voice-activated elevator, the Intellivator. Please select language.
English.
English registered. Please select floor. 7 is registered. Please hold on.
It was like, it works.
Of course it worked. It is an Intellivator. Velkommen til denne talestyrte heisen. Vennligst oppgi ønsket etasje. 7. etasje er registrert. Vi har problemer med å oppfatte deres signal. Vennligst snakk høyere. 3. etasje er registrert. Vi klarer ikke å plukke opp hva de sier. Vennligst snakk høyere. 10 er registrert. Ingen grunn til å være frekk. Ønsker du heismusikk på reisen? Si ja. Ja er registrert. Start the interactive jukebox.
If you want to party, shake your hands. If you want to party, drop your pants. This is the party floor. Come on, let's party some more. Open the door.
Welcome to the 8th floor of the Royal Christiania Hotel. Today, the 8th floor will be inhabited by an exhibition of wild Norwegian animals. Today, the fox is the Norwegian mountain fox.
Please enjoy this exhibition of stuffed animals from the Norwegian fauna. It's a fox and a weasel.
How about go to 3?
Knock knock. Who's there?
Level 3.
Level 3 who?
Level 3.
Level 3 you later. That was a joke. You are not laughing. Did you not find my joke funny?
No, not really.
Please select language.
Saving.
Saving is not a language. Español. Tenemos un poquito de problemas. Un momento. Me quiero a 7. Me quiero a 7. No problemas salvadores. Vamos con puntos. Vamos con puntos. Please do not take pictures of the Intellivator due to copyright restrictions, sir. Why are you still in the elevator? Please exit.
It's not open.
The door is open. Have a good day.
We are now taking you to the 3rd floor.
No! Oh my god, no! Are we going to the 7th? You can...
We are now at the 7th floor.
It's the 6th. One more.
That's why I'm behind this thing.
But it was close enough, wasn't it?
Welcome to this voice-activated elevator.
Mon Dieu, aïe aïe aïe.
Est-ce que vous voudrez français?
Ça va, merci.
Ça va, merci.
Extraordinaire.
Please select your floor.
17.
17.
7.
7, 7, 17.
7.
7, 7, 7. Ah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 registered.
Going to floors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Welcome to this voice-activated elevator. Please say your selected floor.
11.
11 registered. Please open the doors. To open the doors on this elevator, you can use hand gestures.
Thank you for riding the Intellivator. Please state your selected floor.
11.
You can choose between regular elevator
Regular.
and quiz elevator.
Regular elevator.
Quiz elevator registered.
You are now in the quiz elevator. The only way to get to your destination floor is to answer correctly on all 10 answers.
Oh my god, this is going to take forever.
First question. How many liters in a US gallon?
No way! Oh my god, I don't know. 25.
25 is a good guess, but a wrong answer.
Oh my god, how am I confused?
Velkommen til talestyrt heis. For å ta heisen til ditt rom, si rom.
Rom.
Vi blir nå kjørt videre til 9. etasje. I 9. etasje kan vi spandere et fotoshoot. Next question. How many millimeters in a meter?
Okay, so there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter and 100,000.
1,000 is correct.
Yes!
Congratulations. Moving to next floor. Next question. How many pounds in a kilogram?
Oh no. You know, I haven't slept for like 20 hours. I can't believe you're asking me these questions. 20.
Sorry, returning to second floor.
No! Oh my god!
Har dere det travelt?
Ja.
For første etasje, si 1. For andre etasje, si 2. For tredje etasje, si 3. For fjerde etasje, si 4. For femte etasje, si 5. For sjette etasje, si 6. For syvende etasje, si 7. For åttende etasje, si 8. For niende etasje, si 9. For tiende etasje, si 10. For 11. etasje, si 11. For 12. etasje, si 12.
I have not slept and I can't answer questions about deciliters to kilometers to bloody everything. Why don't you ask me a question like what is my age or something like that?
What is your age? Or something like that.
Excellent! Excellent. Okay, I'm 38.
38 is
It's the correct
correct.
answer!
Moving to 11th floor.
Excellent!
Velkommen til denne talestyrte heisen. Please select language.
Dansk.
Dansk registrert. For å ta heisen til ditt rom, si rom. For å kansellere ditt rom, si kanseller.
Rom.
Kansellert er registrert. Du har nå kansellert din bestilling, og nøkkelkortet er deaktivert. Check.
Kæft en idiot, du.
Hello?
Hello. What floor do you want to go to?
The 10th floor. Yes.
None of the floors in this hotel are tents at the moment. Please select language.
German.
Japanese selected. One moment. Hans tredje tatmos kides. Har hatt noen kia sai. Ønsker de å benytte deg av vår ekspressmodus?
Vi ønsker ekspress.
Ekspress registrert. Et øyeblikk. Vi er nå i 14. etasje.
Vi skal i 10. etasje.
10. etasje registrert. Ønsker du ekspressfart?
Ja.
Ekspressfart registrert.
Har du 10 han sa jo 10 han da? Hva skjer da?
Vi har for øyeblikket tekniske problemer.
Ja, no shit.
Tar midlertidig stopp i 8. etasje for påfyll av baller. Welcome to this voice-activated elevator, the Intelevator. What is your destination floor?
We would like to go to the 6th floor, please.
6th floor registered.
Y si no, nos sacan de aquí.
¿Estás hablando español? Dígame sí.
Sí.
¿Qué tipo de música quieres? Tenemos salsa.
Merengue.
Tenemos merengue. ¡Arriba! ¡Merengue activado! Si quieres bailar en el elevador, si quieres bailar de ahora, si quieres bailar en el elevador. Welcome to this voice-activated elevator. Would you like to activate Donald Duck mode?
No thanks.
Yes, registered.
What floor do you want to go to, Hoopy Doopy? 5. Bye-bye, Hoopy Doopy.
Please select language.
Chinese.
Chinese registered. One moment.
总该是生活在外头，洗澡真苦干。洗澡苦干。18斤重，快奔去找昆明丝绸子。总该是。
5.
好心在这人家过位置。就像昆明还问。交通问题。This is a clapping elevator. Please clap the amount of corresponding to your selected floor. 7th floor, registered.
Anyone else?
Ja, het gaat op tol.
Huh?
13. To open the door, please clap twice. 2 claps registered, taking you to 2nd floor.
Open the door.
Today's offer is a kids elevator, the fairy tale elevator. Welcome to the fairy tale elevator. What's your selected floor, little prince?
7.
Oh, 7, my little darling. That's where the honky-tonk and nonky-bonkers live. Please hop and clap while I sing the hockety-pockety song. That's my little prince.
Våte klær registrert. Du sendes nå til 8. etasje for tørking.
Jävla piss med någon jävla sånghelvete.
Hon fastnar i en hiss i ett sånghelvete. Hon fastnar i en hiss med ett sånghelvete. Hon fastnar i en hiss, ja hon fastnar i en hiss. Hon fastnar i en hiss med ett sånghelvete.